Right, Hiro-san, let's go a little seafood, right?
Yeah, look.
Oh, let's do it. Get that one. Get that one. We must get that one for the roll. Or what else do you want to get?
Yeah,
Some shrimp,
right?
Yeah.
How different is it? 45, 41, 50, or 71, 90?
Let's get the raw, right? More flavor?
You want to get more luxury?
Yeah. More luxury.
More bigger. Okay.
What do you have here? Oh, sticky white rice. Oh, we are in luck.
I got a jackpot.
Look at this.
Get one anyway.
No way.
Try.
Japanese style medium
I
grain
didn't know that. And then
rice. I didn't know that either.
And then the line next is a fried rice.
Hiro-san.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. Back from Target as you saw earlier.
Mm-hmm.
And I just want to tell everyone again, stay safe, be well, don't panic, and be aware of the people around you, right, Hiro? If you're sick, stay at home, and we'll get through this all together. Anyway, as you saw, we bought a bunch of things from Target, and we're going to make a sushi roll the best that you can, right, Hiro?
Yes, I tried.
Okay, let's show everyone the ingredients.
So, rice. I found this one.
Yeah.
The sticky white rice. Innovation.
And what's great is it says medium grain rice, so we got a good start there. Okay, Hiro?
So this one I'm gonna do. I wish I can make the sushi rice, but of course the sushi vinegar is not available in the Target, so skip this one.
Okay.
And this one, I found this one tempura shrimp, very interesting product in Target.
Okay.
From Target, right? So I never see this one. So I think I just fried up.
Yeah, just fry it up. Or put it in the oven if you want to. That's what the directions say. Just to let you see, you can actually use a conventional oven or just a fryer.
Right, okay.
Okay.
I go with fry. And the shrimp, frozen shrimp.
Okay.
And the green bean.
Green beans again for color, right?
The color. I'm thinking to tempura shrimp and the green bean inside. And this one I'm going to steam. And then going to top.
Okay. Maybe some sauce on top.
Some sauce on top.
Okay.
I put in the microwave. 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, rice should be ready. Yeah, looks like ready. It's pretty hot.
Pretty hot, right?
Yes. Right.
Oh yeah, that's hot.
Okay. I'm gonna keep in the bowl.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, super hot.
Okay, that's good. So today's I don't have a sushi vinegar, so I just keep it like that. So of course the sushi too hot rice is not good. So
that's true.
Just keep it like this.
Okay.
Okay. So need a little bit cooling down. Okay. Next step is steam shrimp. Okay. I defrosted already. This one. Let's put it here.
You just had it in regular water, just sitting in there, right?
Yeah, just a regular water and sitting,
Okay.
and then the defrost. About maybe 5 minutes, 5-6 minutes.
Okay.
So green bean also.
Yeah, it's already cooked, but it's just frozen. Just want to soften it up a little bit, right here.
Just making. Looks like it now, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna do just warming up the green bean. Still a little frozen, so okay. So beans ready. Okay, I'm gonna keep this in here. Okay, next one is a shrimp tempura. This is very easy. Everything's
Everything's done for
coating
you already.
already.
Yeah, just heat it up, right?
Actually, of course, it's already cooked, you know.
Yeah.
Inside, kind of steam already.
Yeah.
So warming up, that's it. Okay, next step for sushi. I wish I can use the nori paper, right? But everything has to be from the Target.
Right.
So I have no idea what to do. Then come up the idea is this one, egg white. today's also whole egg doesn't have it. So I'm gonna challenge him to only egg white to make it like a seed,
Okay,
right?
let's try. Yeah.
Try.
If anyone can do it, you can do it.
Yeah. A little bit of oil. Still, this is a Teflon, but I'm gonna use a little bit of oil anyway. Let me use it. Atsui! That means hot.
Atsui.
Yeah. Atsui! That means hot. Okay, it's a hot. Very be careful, very hot.
I thought, you know what? It's hot because it's your left hand. Maybe your right hand is different because
Yeah.
you always burn your right
I
hand.
know. No, both hands are supposed to be. Yeah, something.
Atsuya.
Three. I think okay. Some success. That's what we're doing here.
Okay.
What do you think?
Nice, Hiro.
That's good, right? So I'm making a little cooling down. Then I'm gonna use this one for the instead of nori.
Okay.
Okay, let's start rolling up the sushi.
Okay.
But take a look at this one. This is a regular nori sheet here. So, but today's I'm not gonna use this one because of the all ingredients must be from the target. So egg white, I made it as a sheet, almost perfect size, right?
Oh yeah, nearly perfect.
Like that.
Yeah. Very, very good.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna use this one today.
Okay.
Like that. And earlier we just put the microwave rice. Pretty good,
Okay.
sticking together. So, but this is I'm gonna go to the actually tamago. The face is up on the coming on outside.
Okay. What does tamago mean? That just mean egg?
Egg,
Egg omelet or just egg?
just the eggs, tamago, and then this is like a tamago yaki. Yaki is mean like a bake or stir fry, or not stir fry, like a grill.
Okay.
Everything, something yaki.
Yeah.
If you press too much, it's gonna be broken. So, kind of little gently touch to spreading a rice on the egg. Okay, this is good. So today's rice is not really the sushi vinegar flavor because of the sushi vinegar, right? So I couldn't get that. But I think they have they have a rice vinegar. So in that case, you can make the sushi vinegar at the home.
Okay.
Salt and sugar and the dashkob. Maybe dashkob is maybe not available. So, okay, like that.
Okay.
And first I'm gonna do green bean. Okay, green bean. Okay, good. And shrimp.
Okay, Hiro-san, the moment of truth. Can you roll this thing
Yeah,
up?
roll up, I try.
Wow, okay. Nice.
Okay.
Looks good, Hiro.
Yeah, not bad, right? I'm gonna cut it into the half like that, and a little bit. This is more like a bending more easier, right?
It's just like a tenderizer, soften it off, right?
Yeah. Okay, last piece. Okay, looks okay, looks good, looks good. Okay.
I have a question for you. I always wanted to ask you, but I never did. Why do you use this side up and not the other side?
I can do this side too.
But I never see you.
It's not much. That actually, not so much.
Because the other one's more
reasonable.
flatter. This is more rounder, you know?
Yeah, right.
I always wanted to ask you. So either way, right?
Either way.
Okay.
Okay. So, of course, on the egg, it's not not same as like rice
Like seaweed.
outside. Yeah.
Yeah.
Seaweed outside or rice outside. So a little bit different. So cut into half.
Nice, Hiro.
Nice, right?
Perfect.
Maybe I want to cut into the 10. So
10 pieces.
yeah.
Wow.
So no, 10 pieces like that.
The more pieces you cut, the sharper your knife has to be and better your cutting skills.
All right. Okay. So far good.
Somehow you did it.
So
Somehow you did it.
somehow.
Let's take a look inside.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, wow. Look at that, beautiful.
Okay. And we are going to use this sauce come with the tempura.
It's like a sweet chili orange sauce.
Something, right?
Yeah, sweet and orange.
So I'm
taste.
gonna quick heat it up in the microwave.
Okay.
This is come with a shrimp, kind of orange sauce or something.
Yeah.
Okay. And next one also I found it in the Target. Yum sauce. Yum sauce.
Okay.
Okay. Today's roll, Target roll.
Target roll Hiro.
Yes.
No seaweed. Everything from Target.
It was in Target.
After we went to the store and pretty much everything was gone. You know, it's crazy. Everything was empty.
Most of the product is gone.
Yeah, yeah,
Vegetables,
really
meats, all the fishes.
So I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.
Yes.
Some more
See you
episodes coming.
next time.
And be safe out there. Take care. And Hiro-san.
Tasting part.
Tasting part. Best part of all.
Mm.
Check this thing out one more time. Right here, son. Give it a try.
Okay. I'm going to take it in the middle. Looks good.
Yep.
Oh, simple, not bad, this one.
Okay. Not bad at all.
Of course, the egg in the outside. Very interesting texture. Only the white parts of the egg.
Well, the protein part, right? It's all protein. All right.
Very different, right?
That is a mouthful. It's actually very good. The rice is actually better than I expected without the seasoning. Tastes good. Now you get a lot of flavor from the seasoning, the shrimp tempura. Of course, there's that texture in it. The sauce on top, a little bit sweet. That's where the sweetness is from, but not on, it's got some orange taste in there, but I like it. I like the soy sauce. Obviously, the soy sauce gives it a lot of flavor, but the shrimp is also very good. Look at the tempura shrimp. The actual shrimp itself is not that big. A lot of it's just the batter,
Right.
Well, it's good. Not bad. Very smooth, the green beans. I don't mind green beans. Some people may not like it.
Today I don't see, but if you can get, avocado is good.
Yeah.
No, today is a little bit different story. We don't have much stock.
Target was out of everything. All the fresh vegetables were gone. But it's good. Yeah, the orange sauce came through this more. The orange sauce came up more tasting, a little bit stronger flavor. But good. I like it. I like it. I like how you did it. Some people don't like nori. You could do it this way.
Right.
I
mean, this roll is even regular day. We can serve this.
Yeah, you can make this, right?
Yeah, but rice we can put a little seasoning.
Yeah.
Rice if you don't like a green bean, we can change into the avocado.
Yep, I'm impressed with that white rice.
Yep.
Well, here's on. Enjoy the rest of it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Stay safe, everyone.
Bye.
See you soon.
See you soon.